Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well today. In this new video, we're about to look into something that affects millions of us around the globe: anxiety. It's that nagging feeling of worry, the racing heart, the restless mind that just won't switch off. If you've ever felt like anxiety has a grip on you, know that you're not alone. And the good news is, there's a simple, natural, and incredibly effective way to find relief: self-help meditation. We're going to explore how this ancient practice can help you heal anxiety, sometimes in a matter of minutes. So, get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's look in. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. From work pressures and relationship challenges to the constant stream of information bombarding us from our screens, it's no wonder that anxiety has become so prevalent. It's like a silent epidemic affecting people of all ages and backgrounds. But what exactly is anxiety? Well, it's more than just feeling a bit stressed or worried. It's a complex emotional and physical response that can manifest in a variety of ways. You might experience a racing heart, shortness of breath, sweating, or even nausea. Emotionally, anxiety can lead to constant worry, fear, restlessness, and difficulty concentrating. It can make it hard to sleep, affect your appetite, and even impact your relationships. Anxiety often stems from a perceived threat or danger, even if there's no real immediate danger present. Your brain goes into fight or flight mode, preparing you to deal with a threat that might not even exist. And while a little bit of anxiety can be helpful, motivating us to take action or stay alert, when it becomes excessive or persistent, it can severely disrupt your life. There are many different triggers for anxiety. Some people experience it in social situations, others when facing a big presentation or exam. Past traumas, health concerns, financial worries, and even major life changes like moving or starting a new start can all contribute to anxiety. Sometimes there might not even be a clear trigger. The anxiety seems to come out of nowhere. Regardless of the cause, the impact of anxiety on your overall well-being is significant. It can drain your energy, make it hard to enjoy life, and even lead to more serious mental health issues if left untreated. But here's the empowering truth: you don't have to let anxiety control you. There are tools and techniques you can learn to manage and even overcome it. And one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is self-help meditation. For centuries, people across various cultures have turned to meditation as a way to find inner peace and clarity. But in recent years, science has started to catch up with ancient wisdom, shedding light on how meditation actually works to reduce anxiety. It turns out meditation has a profound impact on both your brain and your nervous system. When you're anxious, your brain's amygdala, the part responsible for processing fear and emotions, becomes overactive. This triggers the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which leads to those familiar physical symptoms of anxiety: the racing heart, rapid breathing, and tense muscles. Meditation helps to calm the amygdala, reducing its reactivity and allowing your body to relax. Studies have shown that regular meditation can actually shrink the amygdala over time, making you less prone to anxiety in the long run. It also strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for rational thought and decision-making. This helps you to respond to stressful situations with more clarity and less emotional reactivity. Another key aspect of meditation is mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. When you're anxious, your mind tends to race, jumping from one worry to the next. Mindfulness helps to anchor you in the present, allowing you to observe your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. This creates a sense of space and perspective, making it easier to manage anxiety. Numerous scientific studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of meditation for anxiety relief. Research has shown that meditation can reduce symptoms of anxiety disorders, improve sleep, and even boost your immune system. And the best part is, you don't have to be a seasoned meditator to reap the benefits. Even short daily meditation sessions can make a noticeable difference in your anxiety levels. Now that you understand the science behind meditation, let's explore some simple techniques you can try at home to ease your anxiety. Meditation is a personal journey, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. One of the most basic and accessible techniques is breathing exercises. When you're anxious, your breathing tends to become shallow and rapid. Focusing on your breath helps to slow it down and deepen it, sending a signal to your brain that it's time to relax. Try this. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your belly with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Count each breath if it helps you to stay focused. Another helpful technique is the body scan meditation. This involves systematically bringing your attention to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations without judgment. Start with your toes and slowly work your way up to the top of your head. This helps to ground you in the present moment and release tension you might be holding in your body. Guided visualization is another powerful tool for anxiety relief. This involves using your imagination to create a peaceful and calming scene in your mind. It could be a beautiful beach, a quiet forest, or any place that brings you a sense of tranquility. As you visualize, engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, feel? This can be a wonderful way to escape from anxious thoughts and create a sense of inner peace. There's mindfulness meditation, which involves simply observing your thoughts and feelings as they arise without getting caught up in them. It's like watching clouds drift across the sky. You acknowledge them, but you don't try to control them. This can be challenging at first, but with practice, it can help you to develop a greater sense of self-awareness and acceptance, which is key to managing anxiety. Now that you're familiar with some of the techniques, let's talk about how to get started with your meditation practice. The beauty of self-help meditation is that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level. Here are some practical tips to help you begin. First, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. It could be a corner of your bedroom, a cozy chair in your living room, or even a peaceful spot outdoors. The key is to create an environment that feels safe and inviting. Next, start with short meditation sessions, maybe just 5 or 10 minutes at a time. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration. Consistency is more important than intensity. It's better to meditate for a few minutes every day than to try to do a long session once a week. Be patient with yourself. Meditation is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Don't get discouraged if your mind wanders or you find it difficult to focus at first. It's perfectly normal. Just gently bring your attention back to your breath or the meditation technique you're using. If you find it challenging to meditate on your own, consider using guided meditations or apps. There are many resources available to help you get started, offering guided instructions and soothing music to help you relax and focus. While we start on your meditation journey, you might encounter some common obstacles. One of the most frequent challenges is racing thoughts. Your mind might jump from one worry to the next, making it hard to stay present. When this happens, simply acknowledge the thoughts without judgment and gently bring your attention back to your breath or the meditation technique. Another challenge is restlessness. You might find it difficult to sit still or feel an urge to get up and do something. If this happens, try to observe the restlessness without reacting to it. Notice the sensations in your body and allow them to be there without trying to change them. Difficulty focusing is also common, especially when you're first starting out. Your mind might wander off on tangents or get caught up in distractions. Again, the key is to be patient and kind to yourself. When you notice your mind wandering, simply bring it back to the present moment. Meditation is not about emptying your mind or achieving a state of perfect stillness. It's about learning to observe your thoughts and feelings with greater awareness and acceptance. The more you practice, the easier it will become to navigate these challenges and experience the calming benefits of meditation. Once you've established a regular meditation practice, you can start to explore ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. The more you integrate meditation into your life, the greater the benefits you'll experience. Consider starting your day with a morning meditation. This can help to set a calm and positive tone for the day ahead. Even just a few minutes of mindful breathing or a body scan can make a difference in how you approach the challenges and opportunities that come your way. If you find yourself feeling stressed or overwhelmed during the day, take a short meditation break. Find a quiet spot, even if it's just your car or bathroom stall, and take a few deep breaths. This can help to reset your nervous system and bring you back to a state of balance. In the evening, meditation can help you to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Try a guided relaxation meditation or simply focus on your breath as you lie in bed. This can help to quiet your mind and release any tension you might be holding in your body. The key is to find moments throughout your day where you can pause and connect with your inner calm. It might be while you're waiting in line, commuting to work, or even washing the dishes. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily activities, you can cultivate a greater sense of peace and well-being. While meditation is a powerful tool for anxiety relief, it's not the only one. There are many other strategies you can use to manage anxiety and improve your overall mental health. Regular exercise is a great way to reduce stress and boost your mood. Physical activity releases endorphins, which have natural mood-boosting effects. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's running, swimming, dancing, or simply taking a brisk walk in nature. Eating a healthy diet is also important for managing anxiety. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine, which can all contribute to anxiety. Instead, focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean protein, which provide your body and brain with the nutrients they need to function optimally. Getting enough sleep is crucial for both physical and mental health. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more stress hormones, making you more susceptible to anxiety. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Consider learning other stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or journaling. These can all be helpful tools for managing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Will we come to the end of this exploration into self-help meditation for anxiety relief? remember that the journey to inner peace is ongoing. Meditation isn't a magic pill, but a practice that, with time and dedication, can profoundly transform your relationship with anxiety. It empowers you to find calm amidst the chaos, to respond to life's challenges with greater resilience, and to cultivate a deep sense of well-being. So take that first step today. Roll out your mat, close your eyes, and breathe. The path to a more peaceful and joyful life awaits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on mindfulness, meditation, and overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.